So we're here at Dan's house, and Steve pulls up behind me when we were almost here and goes, "Hey man, you got a big old screw in your tire." How did I get the accent right?
Yeah, it was screw.
So we got to do a quick fix-a-flat before we get on the trail. Oh, sweet! It didn't go through. This is awesome. Well, that was awesome. Thank you so much to Dan and Andrea for their incredible hospitality. Gave us a great place to camp last night here in Morehead City, and brought us coffee and tea in the morning. It was so nice. They are on Bunka Biker, and I love Bunka Biker. It's a great place to find motorcycle friendly people. We hung out and talked to Dan all morning about his bikes and our travels, and just, you know, fun guy stuff about motorcycles and life. So anyway, that was a wonderful stay, and now we are headed to the ocean so we can get our start on the Trans-America Trail. Look at that. Beautiful. Sun is out. This is going to be a gorgeous day of riding. We're heading over to Emerald Isle, which is a barrier island just off of Morehead City. And from there, we'll get a glimpse of the Atlantic Ocean before we start heading west towards the Pacific. Hey, we made it to the beach. Awesome. You ready to get going?
Indeed.
Is it cold?
No.
It was last night.
It was
It's not
last
that
night.
bad.
All right. Let's go.
We're doing it.
All the restaurants are closed, which means that we get our food and sit on the front steps.
The outdoor dining area.